Bike check, Mirraco, custom BMX. I'll take you from head to toe. In the front, I have the Shadow Conspiracy Federal handle, the grips. I have an Odyssey highlighter orange brake lever. I have animal bars. I have another grip, and I have a Shimano brake cable and snafu stem with oryg headset. And I have an animal fork, rim job tires made by snafu, and then I got sun rims, rhino lights, a Mirraco hub front and back, and I have the 2010 frame. I don't know what it's called because I just bought it off my friend. I'll have a whole bunch of stickers on it. I have Colony pedals with Mirraco crank, and Kool stop brakes work really well, like really good. And I have another Mirraco hub. Same rim and tires. See, rim job made by snafu. I have the little chain tightener right there, and all my hardware is the metal tone. I painted it, and I have the hollow hub. Hold on. There we go. See the light at the end of the tunnel. I have a Haro sprocket, a Mirraco seat, and that's pretty much it. Great bike, really light, only 23 pounds. And plus it's going to be a little lighter when I get a new sprocket. I'm going to get an animal Sprocky Balboa sprocket. And rate, comment, subscribe if you want. And there you go. Bye.